Aim at him and insert this hole between the tube heel and the key pair. It only has a little touch. It's not tight, it's loose. After this, PP to water pipe and accessories are dissolved. Will it still leak? Do you need anything else to deal with it? How about picking it up? Does this matching method work well? 100% non-leaking. If it is not operated properly, it will definitely leak. So the words of PP to night swimming tube. This night swim time is very particular. A friend asked me such a question. Will it leak after dissolving? Because this B2 pipe is installed. To be installed in the wall or buried in a pillar. The pillar I bought when I bought it. Inside the floor. PP20 to heat capacity tube on top of the heat container. What about the hot melt time? There is also some attention to it. Time is too short. It won't work if it takes too long. So there is still operation and docking. His side also pays attention to certain methods and skills. Let's plug it in first. This light is on. The PPR water pipe has not been connected yet. Words from novice friends who have not used hot containers. I want to learn a little water and electricity. I don't think I understand this. How to use containers. Just plugged in. The red light is on. Wait until his red light goes out. The temperature description is enough. Does he have a thermostat? So how about a demonstration? How to operate the connecting accessories. How to dissolve. What is the dissolution time? What about between the Daibu operation hall and the accessories? He's marked. A red line, and here it is. There are 4 dots on the accessories. Is this a mark? He points in different directions. Like this. And like this. What about this mark on this line? Direction can be determined. That's enough time for the hot container. Here we go. Operate him. How hot? How long is the melting time? In general, summer and winter are different. We can't press because some. UH video. How many seconds? How many seconds? We can't press how many seconds. It's time to set this time. Generally, this accessory is thicker. Put it down first. Melt down little by little. Then put this bowl again. Put it in. Let's melt together again. Push both sides in together. Push in. Then this. As for the accessories, you don't have to push them to the end. Then look at the time. Look at this tube. What about the outside? He already has that. The glue dissolves like this. That's enough time. This temperature is just right. Then you can put it in. And then, hold down and don't let go. Align this hole and insert it. Hold. Like this. And then, look at the balance and balance. You can look left and right to take a look at his straight or not. It can't be crooked, it's ugly. And it melted out. He has 2 circles like this. It's smooth and slippery. It's the most standard. What about the second floor slab after it dissolves like this? If it dissolves well, it will not leak 100%. What about after we dissolve it? Just stay there. Let him cool down. If you say you can't twist me. If you don't move, he is. If you rotate it in, it will be different. It leaks more easily. And did you melt it on the hot container just now? What happens if you take too long? Let's demonstrate a hot. It's not hot enough and it's not deep enough. This situation. Like this one. If you push it in a little bit, it won't be long enough. If it's not long enough, it didn't end so well. That's like this place. This tube is green. This line is. The cold water pipe is thinner. From the hot water pipe, it's a red line. It is thicker compared to this cold water pipe. This is red. This is a hot water pipe. Cold water pipes are relatively thin. When the cold water pipe is relatively thin, if it takes too long, he is all this glue. He is more. Well, if it's hotter. And this one is a little crooked, see? It's a little crooked. So there is this ugly one. Something like this. It looks better. And it is stable and will not leak. No need to deal with it. Then when we dissolve. Line, what about this line? For these 4 points. For one of them, he is able to do it. A unified. The line is on the top like this. Then be able to a vertical like this. And this, if it's not true. It looks like this. So this looks like this. This is not right, this. If this mark is wrong here, he will. Like this. Crooked. Every accessory, whether it is a through pass T. The depth of integration. It is the depth of the plug. It's 2 centimeters. So what about our mouth? What about the length of this tube capacity? More appropriate. Just melt in. 1.5 centimeters. Such a length will do. If this works for too long, he will cause this. There's a circle outside that looks ugly. And it took too long. It is formed like this inside. The inner diameter has become smaller. It's like this on the outside. It's hard to see on the outside. He still does not dissolve tightly. You see he can still pull it out. So his engagement. What about between this tube and the opposite line? He only has a little touch. He is not close. He is loose. His tube has gotten smaller. What about in this case? It must be very, very easy to leak.